Bling's #1 selling product, Hot Sauce, is a spray detailer on steroids. The unique spray-on, wipe-off formula has strength to cut through hard water spots without stripping your wax. Hot Sauce contains sealants to help maintain your wax coat while leaving a streak-free, show-quality shine, and can be applied on wet or dry surfaces. Perfect for fiberglass siding on your RV along with paint, stainless, glass, and plastic. Don't have a water spot issue? No worries. Hot Sauce can still be used on your surface to provide that fresh, detailed look and feel.